My dear learners, we are passing a dangerous situation for COVID-19. For this reason, our school authority has arranged online class. I am Mohammad Abdul Kalam Azad, Assistant Teacher English, Rangabati Girls High School. In our last class, we learned affirmative to negative sentence, and today we will discuss about how can we change assertive to interrogative sentence. I will write a sentence on the blackboard. Please see my class, and if you feel any problem, please comment. I will try my best to solve your problem in my next class. Okay? He is going to school. Here is sentence, and it is assertive sentence. We can sense this sentence into interrogative without meaning, without changing meaning. My dear learners, if the sentence consists of auxiliary verb or modal verb, if the sentence consists of auxiliary verb or modal verb, that time we have to take the auxiliary verb before subjects. If the sentence is affirmative, that time you have to change it negative interrogative. Suppose here is an affirmative sentence, and you have to take the auxiliary verb before the subject with negative form. Okay? We can change it isn't he going to school? Isn't he going to school? If as the sentence he is going to his school is affirmative, so we have to change it negative interrogative. Auxiliary verb plus negative short form isn't he going to school? Another sentence. Another sentence. They are not playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. In this sentence, they are not playing cricket. This sentence is negative. When we will change it interrogative, that time we have to omit not, and we have to take the auxiliary verb before subject. Jamon, are they playing cricket? Okay, my dear learners, they are not playing cricket. We can sense this sentence interrogative in this way. Are they playing cricket? In the sentence, you can do the what? If the sentence consists of modal verb, that time you have to tense it you can take the modal verb before the subject, and if the sentence is affirmative, that time you have to turn it negative interrogative. যেমন such as can't you do the what? Can't you do the what? You can do the what? We can turn this sentence into interrogative in this way. Can't you do the what? Another sentence. If the sentence has no auxiliary or modal verb, that time we have to change the interrogative according to the tense. Suppose he eats rice. He eats rice. In this sentence there is no auxiliary verb, and this sentence is present tense, and subject is third person singular number. If the subject third person singular number, that time you have to take auxiliary verb doesn't. Doesn't he? When you use doesn't, that time you have to omit as or yes from the subject, from the verb. Doesn't he eat rice? He eats rice. Doesn't he eat rice? If the subject is plural, suppose they play football. They play football. That time you have to use don't. Don't they play football? Don't they play football? Don't they play football? They play football. Don't they play football? And you have to give interrogative mark. If the sentence is past indefinite, that time you have to use eaten. It for fish. This sentence is past indefinite, and if we use this sentence into interrogative, that time you have to use auxiliary verb didn't. Didn't he? When you use didn't, that time you have to change the verb present form. So we can write here cat for present form cat. Didn't he catch fish? He caught fish. Didn't he catch fish? My dear learner, if the sentence is negative without auxiliary verb, suppose he does not sing a song. He does not sing a song. That time we have to take does before the subject. Does he? And you have to omit not. Does he sing a song? We can change this way into interrogative. He does not sing a song. Does he sing a song? Okay. if the sentence has start everybody, everyone, all. If the sentence starts everybody, everyone, all, that time you have to tell the sentence who does not, who doesn't, don't, didn't, according to their tense. According to the tense. Suppose I will write a sentence on the board. Everybody likes him. Everybody likes him. This sentence starts with everybody, and we have to write at first who. And this sentence is present in your tense and third person singular number. So we have to write after who, we have to write who doesn't. Who doesn't. Who doesn't like him. Who doesn't like him. Everybody likes him. At first we have to write who, then we have to write doesn't according to the tense, then we have to write like, omit, as or yes if the sentence consists of verb. If the verb consists of as or yes, that time we have to omit as or yes. So we can write like him. Everybody likes him. Who doesn't like him? My dear learners, if the sentence after every noun for noun, every man, every man has a lion. Every man has a lion. Here is the sentence. This sentence has noun after every. If after every consists of noun, that time you have to write at first is there any. Is there any? Is there any man? Then we have to write who. Then we have to write doesn't according to the tense. Is there any man who doesn't have a lion? Is there any man who doesn't have a lion? Every man has a lion. Is there any man who doesn't have a lion? Okay, my dear learners, if I will write a sentence, another sentence on the board. Every man must die. When we will find must modal verb. In this sentence, must is modal verb. When we change it into an interrogative, that time we have to write will not instead of must. Instead of must, we have to write will not. Okay, first we have to write is there any man? Is there any man who is there any man who will not die? Is there any man who will not die? Every man must die. Is there any man who will not die? Okay, my dear students, I will write another sentence on the board. If the sentence starts, none, nobody, no one. If the sentence starts, none, nobody, no one, that time we have to write who instead of nobody, none, no one. That time we have to write who instead of none, nobody and no one. I will write a sentence. None can do the what? None can do the what? Instead of none, we have to write who. Who can do the what? Who can do the what? None can do the what? Who can do the what? We can send it another way. Can, noun affirmative form. Can anyone do the what? We can also send in this way. Okay, my dear learners, sometimes we can find negative word. Suppose nothing, then we have to write anything. Never, we have to write ever. I will write a sentence on the board consists of nothing. Suppose there is nothing to say. There is nothing to say. If we want to change it into imperative, that time we have to take at first auxiliary verb before the subject. Is there, that time you have to change nothing into anything, affirmative form. Is there anything to say? There is nothing to say. We can change it into imperative. Is there anything to say? Another sentence. Friendship is nothing but a name. 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 In this sentence we can find after nothing but. If nothing but, if the sentence consists of nothing but, that time we have to change it into according this way. At first we have to write but, then we have to tag the auxiliary verb before the subject. What is friendship, you have to omit nothing. Then we have to write past as then. We can tell friendship is nothing but a name. In this way, what is friendship but a name? Another sentence. It does not matter if we close the gap. My dear student, if the concept it does not matter, that time we have to write instead of it does not matter, we have to write what though. So at first we have to write what though, then we have to write rest of the sentence. What though if we close the gap. What though if we close the gap. We can tell this sentence in this way. My dear learners, we can tell the sentence according those rules. Okay, my dear learners, today we have learned assertive interrogative. In our next class, we will learn exclamatory assertive. I will give you some homework SW for next class. Exercise 1 to 20 in your textbook. In your English second paper textbook. SW exercise in your English second paper. Exercise 1 to 20. 1 to 20. Okay, my dear learners, thank you all for attending my class.